Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. So in this video we'll be reviewing the all new Hero Glamour BS6 2020 FI variant. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video guys. Hey guys, so let's start with the design. The 2020 BS6 Glamour is simply the best looking 125cc commuter without a doubt, with its next level power, technology and style. The design element simply looks stunning and stays true to the name Glamour, with all new stylish halogen headlights with two position lamps included in the same unit. Hero updated the front cowl entirely with new headlight unit design and included a 3D printed Hero logo. The color here we have is the sports red, which matches the Glamour more than any other variant. Now coming down to the engine specification, the all new BS6 Hero Glamour Fi is powered by a new updated 124.7cc 4-stroke BS6 motor with a new 5-speed gearbox. The engine produces 10.73 PS of power at 7500 rpm and 10.6 Nm of max torque at 6000 rpm. The fuel system is Fi with self-start and i3S technology. The bike also has the kickstart feature. If you want to know more about the Hero i3S technology, please check out my dedicated video for that, for which I will put the link up here in the I button, so please do check that. Now coming down to the chassis, the 2020 BS6 Hero Glamour uses a diamond type frame with telescopic front forks with a travel of around 120 mm and a 5-step adjustable hydraulic shock absorber at the rear with a travel of 81 mm. Talking about the tires, Glamour features 80 by 100 18-inch tires up front and 100 by 80 18-inch tire at the rear. Talking about the brakes, Glamour comes in two variants, both disc and drum, but the one here is equipped with a 240 mm disc with IBS technology at front and 130 mm expanding drum brake at the rear. Overall, the height is 1074 mm and the wheelbase of this motorcycle is 1273 mm. The seat height of this bike is 793 mm with good ground clearance of 180 mm. The fuel tank capacity is 10 liters, which is adequate for city commutes. The BS6 update makes it more fuel efficient than before thanks to the new PGMI Fi BS6 engine. The curb weight of this bike is 123 kgs. Now coming down to the switchgears and speedometer, the mirrors and switchgears are made out of good quality material which all looks premium. The bike features part analog, part digital speedometer unit which includes speedometer indicator, i3S indicator, mileage indicator and other telltale lights. You have 4 different color options to choose from. The ex-showroom price starts from 74,757 rupees to 79,457 rupees for the top variant here in Kerala. The additional features includes the auto sail technology with split alloy wheels and 5-speed gearbox. So let's hit the road guys and let's check the road capabilities of this bike. So first let me start the bike. Okay, let's put it in first gear. So now let's ride the bike and see how this performs in the real world. The Hero BS6 Glamour Fi falls into the premium commuter segment, which is the perfect fit for those who are looking to upgrade from a 100cc commuter bike to a more premium, powerful but at the same time pocket-friendly, reliable bike. Talking about the ergonomics, the sitting position is upright with center set footpegs. Narrow but flat seats allow the rider to sit closer to the tank so that they can hug and grip the tank securely. It adds more to the feel of riding it. The handlebars are wide but the reach is low and comfortable. The handle grips are soft and comfy. The clutch and brake lever pull is very light Overall, the ergonomics is more or less the same as the other commuter bikes. Coming to the instrument console, the readouts are clear, which includes speedo indicators, fuel gauge, I3 indicators with other telltale lights. The bike has good power to launch itself without any stress or vibrations in the initial RPMs, and the engines feel stress-free and smooth throughout the power band. The bike can cruise at speeds well over 50 kph, which is its sweet spot. The clutch pull is light, the gear shifts are smooth but short. The new Glamour is equipped with 5-speed gearbox, which helps you to maintain stress-free cruising speeds. The wide handlebars helps you to maneuver the bike quickly and change directions easily without any unnecessary input from the rider. The front suspension is soft and plush, but the rear feels a bit stiff. While taking corners, the bike kept its line well. The tires gave good grip every time you push the bike, even with a pillion rider. Overall, the bike remained very stable and kept its line well thanks to the all-new diamond chassis. The brakes work well and have enough bite with good stopping power, majority of which comes from the front brakes with single channel ABS.
So guys, let me do a braking test here. My signature style braking test. I'll get this bike to 60 km/h and then we'll try to squeeze the brake and try to stop it, and let's see how better it stops.
The F5 works well with good fueling, which enhances the throttle feel and makes it an engaging ride. Overall, it's a worthy successor to the Glamour Fi. With this update, they made it more exciting and reliable bike.
Okay, now let's talk about the seating of it here. The seat seems wide and comfortable, but it lacks enough cushion, as you can see here. Overall, the posture, the sitting posture and riding position is upright and totally comfortable, as you got a wide handlebar. So the only thing that misses out is a better seat.
So that's it with my first ride review of BS6 Hero Glamour Fi variant, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. So this is Mithun saying ciao, take care, peace out guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.